Okay, so this is huge. Can you imagine 600 people annually being able to dialogue, interrupt, hold space, as well as being actively accountable and holding everybody else accountable? That is mission talk. This is a mission driven curriculum. It has the power to be mission driven, right? That is a moving the world, moving society, moving the United States towards liberation. This is a liberation curriculum. So we'll have staff and we'll have staff alum who we can't worry about, as well as allies. And because the curriculum is going to have to be as complex as the issues that we face, we're going to have to harness the public allies' values, because like inclusion versus exclusion, everything's exclusionary. And so we talk about inclusion because it makes us feel better, but we need to understand that we are always in exclusionary spaces and what that means. So harnessing all of those, harnessing all of the values, and then really prioritizing leadership actions 1, 2, and 5, which that's the RFP, right? But there's a lot of leadership actions. So how do we help staff meet the goals of all leadership actions, or really understand those and not interrupt those, while helping them harness values and teach, learn, demonstrate, model what it looks like for leadership actions 1, 2, and 5 to be revolutionary in terms of what the allies experience. So we're going to have to involve alum, because it's a huge group of people who come to the work at various levels, who need to have the same foundation, all while being elevated. Like if you and I start the year in two different places in terms of social justice understanding, action, allyship, or accomplicehood, we need to not only share the same language when we leave to be able to apply it to our lives, our work, our plans, but we also need to individually be elevated from where we started at the beginning of the program. So it's continuous for staff, that's a thing, and it's integral to the ally experience. If we do all of this in PA, in June 2021, you will have seen a fragment of an equitable and just society. So we need to analyze 360 data. We need to talk to staff and alum that have been there for staff for the last 5 years, alum for the last 3. We need focus groups, and we need interviews, leading to the creation of a curriculum that creates the fragments, examples, and promising practices of a just and equitable society.